Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Trello for project management. Trello is a web-based project management tool that helps individuals and teams to organize and track tasks and projects. It was first released in 2011 and has since become one of the most popular project management tool available. Trello uses a visual system of boards, lists, and cards to help users organize and prioritize tasks. Each board represents a project, and within each board, there are multiple lists that represent the different stages or phases of the project. Users can create cards within each list that represents individual tasks or items to be completed. It also offers features such as checklists, due dates, labels, and attachments that can be added to each card. Users can also assign tasks to specific team members and track progress using comments and notification. One of the key benefits of Trello is the flexibility and easy to use. It can be customized to fit a wide range of project management needs, from simple to complex. Trello also offers integration with other tools and services such as Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier, making it easy to incorporate into existing workflow. So how to use Trello? Here are some steps to use Trello for project management. Create a dashboard. Start by creating a dashboard from your project. A board is a like virtual whiteboard where you can write or organize your task into lists and cards. To create a board, click on the Create a New Board or simply click this Create Your First Board. And then give your name a board. Example. Example. Then choose what's the visibility of your board. You can choose workspace, public, or private. You can create a blank space or start with the template. Once you've created your board, create lists to represent the stages or phase of your project. Sample. You might create lists for to do, in progress, or doing, and done. To create a list, click on the Add List button or add a card on your board and give it a name. Create cards. Within each list, create cards to represent specific tasks or activities. To create a card, click on the Add a Card. Also, if you want to add a board, just click the plus sign of the left corner and name your board. You can also add a description attachment, due dates, and labels to each card. Move cards. As you work on your project, move cards between lists to reflect their current status. For example, move a card from to-do list to the in-progress list when you start working on it. Simply, if you want to move it, simply click this icon and then click move. Doing. And you can see now it is moved. Collaborate with others. Invite other team members to your board and assign tasks to them. You can also use Trello's commenting and notification features to communicate with your team and keep everyone on the same page. Use Trello Power Apps. Trello offers a variety of power apps that can help you automate tasks, integrate with other tools, and enhance your project management capabilities. For example, you can use the Calendar Power App to view your tasks in a calendar format or the Butler Power App to automate repetitive tasks. Also, it has a other features like card templates. Trello offers the ability to create and save cards templates. This is useful when you have recurring tasks or projects with a standard set of steps that needs to be followed each time. When it comes to calendar view, Trello has a calendar view that allows you to see all your cards and their due dates in a calendar format. It's on the left side of Trello, which is the calendar. There. This view makes it easy to plan your work and schedule deadlines. Next, Butler. Butler is a built-in automation tool that allows you to create custom rules and triggers to automate tasks. For example, you can set up a rule to automatically move cards to a specific list or assign cards to specific team members based on certain criteria. And you can also customize the background of your boards to add some personality or to make it more visually appealing. Also, Trello has a mobile app. Yes, Trello has a mobile app for iOS and Android, which allows you to access your boards, cards, and tasks on the go. So that's how to use Trello for project management. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.